People often think gardening is simply about making a garden look attractive, but it offers so much more than that. Gardening is one of the most rewarding hobbies you can take up. It encourages you to spend time outdoors, gives you gentle exercise, reduces stress, and connects you with nature in a way that few other hobbies can. Even something as simple as watering your plants after work can become a peaceful daily routine. If you choose to grow vegetables and herbs, you'll also enjoy fresh produce picked just minutes before it reaches your kitchen. Imagine making a salad with lettuce that you've grown yourself, adding freshly picked basil to homemade pasta, or picking warm cherry tomatoes straight from the vine. Not only does homegrown produce taste wonderful, but you also discover that many herbs and vegetables cost far less to grow than you can buy from the supermarket. And flowers offer their own rewards too. Bright displays of marigolds, petunias or lavender can transform even the smallest outdoor space, while attracting bees, butterflies and other beneficial pollinators that will keep your garden healthy. The important thing to remember is this: you don't have to create the perfect garden in your first year. Start small, learn as you go, and every season will teach you something new.